Next stop, kindergarten. Next stop, kindergarten. All aboard! Who? You? That's who? You ready for kindergarten? What? Was that a yes? Was that a no? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What? Okay, you know what? I'm just going to assume yes. You are ready for kindergarten. Oh, kindergarten. Oh, how I loved it. The days of music. Oh, yes, Olivia the Ostrich. Oh, yes. Art, where I could just get lost in the excitement of learning shapes and colors and numbers and letters that would soon form amazing soliloquies that I would recite on the great stages of the world. Oh, child. I am so jealous. I wish I could go back. I wish I could be you. Well, but you know who is you? You are you, so let's go. Next stop is kindergarten. Let's go. Woo! Oh, am I on time? Oh, Dill the Pickle, are you going to kindergarten? Oh, no, pickles don't go to kindergarten. Nope. Oh, well, then how do you learn? Oh, from the jar of life, of course. The jar of life. I guess that's their school. Let's go to ours, shall we? Preschool was fun, so much paper and glue, but now it is time to try something new. There's no need to be anxious or worried, palms sweaty. It's time for kindergarten and you are ready. You know all the colors like yellow and purple, and you know all the shapes from triangle to circle. So there's the triangle, and there's a circle, and there's a heart, and there's a square, and there's that sort of an italicized square, I'm gonna call it. And there's an oval, and there's the rectangle. You know a lot of numbers. You're a counting machine. Find 1, then 10, then all the numbers in between. You want to count? Go ahead, Hooty. You can do it. Come on, you can say it. You can say it. You've been working really hard on your numbers. I know. 10. Oh my gosh! You did it, Hooty! You did it! Ooh! He's been working on his language. Did you hear that? He got 10 out so clearly. You know every letter from A down to Z. Will you say the alphabet with me? Did I get it? I sure did! Let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Fast part. Q, R, S, T, U, V. Big finish. W, X, Y, and Z. Now we said our A through Z's. Now we'll continue to read. Made that up. You can put on your shoes. You can pick out your clothes. Zippers can be hard. I'll help you with those. Oh, see, but we're doing it. We're doing it. We're putting it on. We are looking sharp, people, looking good. When you go potty, you know what to do. Remember to flush and wash your hands too. This book has a toilet in it. I mean, it does. You know how to share and wait your turn. You listen to the. Can you? Whoa! I'm in the middle of what? I was told I should come over here and wait my turn and not interrupt. So where should I go? Maybe not right in front of the book. Oh, I made a mistake. Oh, I'm gonna go over there. Okay. I don't even know if you can see the book from there. So back to the part where you wait your turn. You know how to share and wait your turn. You listen to the teacher when it's time to learn. To make a friend, you know what to do. Smile and say hello to someone new. I'm so proud of you and everything you know. Next stop, kindergarten. You're ready to go. Woo! And I am proud of you because you've already learned so much. And it's just the beginning of everything you're about to learn. From the jar of life, from the school, and the school of life. And the jar, if you're a pickle, absolutely. Oh, I knew it! Next up, pickle jar! That's a different book. I don't think anybody's written that book. Next up, awesomeness, kids. See you next time on KidTime StoryTime, where all our back to school stories, I'm putting them in the description in case you want more inspiration.